And here.
Go on, Lila. What are we doing?
Presents.
Where?
Presents. Over and here. And there, see?
What? Did you put them there?
No.
Who did?
Rudolph.
What? Did you hear Rudolph on the roof last night?
Yes.
Did you? What did it sound like?
Isaac.
What do you think of that?
I'm not going to go get me a papa, buddy.